Welcome back to Wheelie Yellow. Or should I say, Wheelie Wainy. As you can see, the heavens have opened overnight, and more rain is forecast for today. My trip to the beach let me know that the van is not 100% waterproof. However, I've got places to go, so let's go. Or should I say, let's go. Well, I'm soaked. But the good thing about being soaked through and through is that there's no more through to soak through to. This is, and pardon the expression, peak soakness. It got me thinking though, how many other times have I not done something because things weren't perfect, like the weather, for example, and I would have missed out on things like this beautiful woodland scene. And while it may have been grey and miserable, if this bug isn't worried about it, then why should I? Come on, trying to help you. Some people. Anyway, I'm gonna get myself rid of these wet clothes, and I'm not sure you guys want to see that, so let's leave it there. Goodbye again.